One of the most common items to wear out on antique sewing machines is the rubber ring on bobbin winders. Rubber dries out over time and quickly cracks and breaks. Even if the one on your machine looks old and cracked, the odds are what you're seeing is just the most recent in a long line of replacements. It should be saved for its collectible value should the machine ever be sold, but replacing it is necessary if the machine is going to be restored to working order. Sometimes rubber O-rings from either the hardware or gardening areas in hardware stores can be used, but more often than not they're too small and the tension quickly breaks them. In fact, that's what happened to this bobbin winder on our 1875 American sewing machine. You can see how much stretch was required to get it around the wheel, and it was just too much. The rubber eventually broke. Worse still, many bobbin winders require specialized tools to take them apart, and these tools are all but impossible to find. Without them, there's no way to get clear access to the bobbin winder wheel. Fortunately, there's an easy way to overcome both the size and accessibility problems. Make your own. To do so, purchase some 1/4-inch diameter rubber cord. Trim it to length using a razor blade, which produces nice, clean, flat cuts, so that when the ends touch, there's just a little tension. The rubber grips the wheel very well, so not much pressure is needed to keep it from slipping. Angling the end cuts will allow for a more face-to-face gluing. Use a little super glue. You just need the tiniest drop on one end, hold it for 30 seconds, and you're done. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to see all of the sewing machines in our collection, please visit waynesthisthandthat.com and scroll down to the antiques section. And as always, thanks for watching.